Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making deviled potatoes. It's a new thing I've seen. You just take golden potatoes, the small ones, about this size, and we're going to wash them and put them in a pan and 2 inches of water on top of them. We're going to boil them for about 12 minutes until tender. Then we're going to bring them and drain them and then run cold water over them because we're going to be stuffing them. And so you need about 1.5 pounds of these. So let's get the stuffing. You're going to take just some of the potato out of it. Leave a little bit around the rim. Just take your, I got a teaspoon here. I've hollowed out all the potatoes. That's what they're going to be looking like. Then we're going to mash the potatoes real good. This dish is an alternative to stuffed eggs. Sometimes people can't eat eggs or they don't like eggs. We had a next door neighbor that he didn't eat eggs. Now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. 1/4 cup of sweet pickled relish. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And then we're going to put 1/4 cup of finely chopped green onions. And we're going to put 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. I'm going to mix it. Now you can use a piping bag. You can put this in a piping bag, or you can use a small spoon. I'm going to use a spoon. We've got the stuffing ready, and now we're going to stuff them. You just pick up the potato gently and just fill them. With filling. We've all got them stuffed in their shells, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of chives on them, or you could use green onions chopped finely. Just whatever ones you want. And then here I'm going to sprinkle just a pinch of paprika. Down in the South we put paprika. Unless these are going to my sister's house and she don't like paprika. This is what they look like. Deviled potatoes. It's a great alternative to deviled eggs. So I hope you like them. For a video and recipe of my deviled eggs, it'll be in the description. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. And if you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you always for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.